Stupid bird. It clearly wants to eat the Auntie Anne's bag. Go back to it. You know you want to. No one's looking. You stupid. Where you going, dope? So he's turning around. You know he wants it, dude. He's just shy. Get him! Get this bag! Get it! Come on! Yeah! We knew he wanted it. Woo! Stupid. Yeah, take that, you dummy. Yeah, we just had those. They smell good. And it tastes good. This is great. Eat it. Eat the bag. Eat it. Yes. Yeah, take that, you fucker. I like how it pretended it's like, I don't really want this. Ah! And then it attacked it. I'm gonna walk away casually. Doo, 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 doo. He's making sure none of his friends see him attacking the bag because they might be ostracized. Yeah, no one drinks those. Dorky kids.
Wasn't that like the cream cheese?
He doesn't want the cream cheese though. He walked over to that and then
I
he's.
knew he wanted the thing.